In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel orders in Ecwid, specifically for those using the free plan. Maybe you've taken an order by mistake, or perhaps you've just decided that certain products are not available anymore. Regardless of your reason, we're going to walk through the process step by step, making sure you can follow along easily and effectively. Let's dive right in. First, start by logging into your Ecwid account and heading straight to your dashboard. This will be your central hub where you can see a snapshot of your store's performance and access various features and tools. Once you're in your dashboard, what you'll want to do next is head over to My Sales from the main menu. This section is crucial because it's where all your current sales are neatly organized and ready for you to manage. If you've made a sale that you need to address, this is where you'll find it. Now, within My Sales, you'll find the Orders section. This is where all your recent and previous orders are listed in detail. Sift through the list to find the specific order you want to cancel. It's like searching through a filing cabinet, only much faster and easier with the search and filter features Ecwid provides. Once you've located the order in question, click on it. This will bring up the order details, giving you a comprehensive view of everything related to this transaction, from customer information to item specifics. With the order details in front of you, your next move is to look for the canceled option. This button is situated within the order details and is your final step to canceling the order. Clicking on Canceled will mark the order as such, notifying both you and the customer that the transaction has been voided. It's as simple as that. However, remember that this action cannot be undone, so double check that you've selected the correct order before proceeding. A small pill here to swallow, but nonetheless important for maintaining a clean record-keeping process. Additionally, if possible, communicate with your customer about the cancellation. This will minimize confusion or dissatisfaction and might even offer a chance to discuss alternatives or future purchases. That's all there is to it. Canceling orders in Ecwid on the free plan doesn't have to be a complicated task. It's all about navigating through the right sections to find what you need. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out other walkthroughs to make the most of your Ecwid store. Until next time, keep running your store efficiently and enjoy a seamless selling experience.